Guys, welcome back. John West. We will take you on this tour of the waterfall so you can see and experience it yourself. Here we go.
Up it, we swam underneath it, we swam the lake, we talked to the people, we've done it all, guys. Wow. Yep, this is on the walk up. It's a waterfall, man. Watch the video, long video. I swam in the, underneath the waterfall. I climbed up, jumped in it. Man, it's pretty awesome. This place is huge. Look at that, man. Incredible. This is the walk back. This is the path you walk back up from the waterfall. We're walking back down. Thanks for watching. I appreciate it, man. Give it a thumbs up if you like it. Share it. Share it to all your friends. Give it a thumbs up if you like it. We're gonna try to walk back, guys. Oh. We're gonna try to walk back here. It's a beautiful day. Koh Chang, Thailand. We just went to feed some elephants, and then we went to this waterfall here. And we are headed back now. All right, let's go straight. Okay, let's keep going. That's the path. This is the path you take out of here. No, not me. All right. Okay, let's step down here. Step down there. Oh my gosh. Keep doing it, flip-flops. Hey, buddy, how are the videos going? How are the videos going? Let's keep walking. We're almost out of here, guys. We are almost out of here. This is so you know what to expect. Yes, hi, yes, I'm back. Yes, thank you, yes. I'll pass all these people. People on the right, people on the left. Hello.
Hello.
There's a little path up here. Don't know where that takes you. just in case it rains, you know, you can take cover immediately. Let's keep going. Let's keep going on this walkthrough. We're doing the full path walkthrough to the Khlong Phlu. Not sure if I'm saying it right. To the waterfalls here. On Koh Chang. Wow, beautiful. About 100 meters. About another 100 meters to go. About another 100 meters to go. Not that bad. Let's keep moving. You just keep on moving, guys. That's the name of the game. Thank you. Almost back. Looks like we might have made it out of here. Let's see. Yep. Oh my god. The exit. That was not bad at all. The verdict, guys, is not that bad. Back. We made it. And we made it. That was awesome. I'm giving that a solid 10 out of 10, guys. We're giving this one a solid 10 out of 10. Thank you so much for letting us come visit. Let's take a look at the sign and get it on here for you. So if you're coming here, you'll know where to go. We'll stop here. And you'll walk up. Station 1, 2, 3, 600 meters. Boom. And you're there. Khlong Phlu Waterfall. Amazing. Thank you, Thailand. Thank you, Thailand. Thank you, Thailand. That was so fun. That was very, very good. This is a national park, guys. We are in the forest, tropical rainforest, actually. Tropical rainforest in Koh Chang, the waterfalls. That's the Khlong Phlu Waterfall Center. And we just hiked all the way up it. Check it out in the videos. I'll upload it tonight. Hiked all the way up it. I jumped in the waterfall, swam in the I swam the waterfall. I took the thing underwater. I swam with the fish. It was incredible. Guys, look at this. This is Thailand, a national forest. Thailand. Justin, love it. Wow, guys, look at that. How much better does it get? Do we leave? Or do we stay? We have to go. We have journeys to go on, guys. Islands to visit. If you're here, like, share, subscribe. Go watch the long video. I will upload it tonight. There's the drinking fountain. Let's see if it works. It works. Check. That works. There's the waterfall. The reason why it works. Whoop. It runs right there. And the waste goes out right there. There we go. Let's walk on out of here. Let's see what it's like. Let's make the walk out. Oh my god. Let's make the walk out, but first let's finish this Gatorade and I'll dump it in the thing. No problem. I will give you my bottle. It says, give me your bottle. Okay. That was a good one. What do you think they're doing? I don't know what they're doing. Who knows? Just looking at his thing. There's the tourist attractions of Koh Chang. Map of route and places to visit in Koh Chang National Park. Well, that would explain it. Number one. Okay, let's see if we check them off the list. Number one, White Sand Beach. Check. Number two, Tom Man iPhone. No check. Number three. Huh. Where's three? Call wrong. No check. Number four. Crawbay Viewpoint. Check. We were there earlier. Number five. Check. Number six. No check. Number seven. No check. And number eight. No check. Geez, guys. Okay. We're out of here. We're going to go to those other places. I just realized that we did not do anything on Koh Chang. We need to go to those islands, guys. I'm out of here. We are going to go there today. I'm just not doing this one. See you later. Can I get you on the thing? Uh-oh. This thing goes crazy. We're live. America. America. Let's see. Thank you, sir. What is your name? There we go. Thank you, sir. I appreciate it. Saudi cop. Bye-bye. Oh, for you. Okay. Thank you. Bye-bye. All right. Let's get out of here. That was amazing. 10 out of 10. Pet boarding kennel. Put your pet there, guys. 10 out of a 10, guys. We are getting off this now. We're going to go to the islands. We're done. Adios, amigos. And this is the park ranger station we passed through at the first. Adios. Bye-bye. And see, it's 200 baht. One person. 200 baht. 200 baht. Cash only, guys. No credit card. No credit card. No credit card. Yeah. Cool. Thank you. There it is. There it is. There it is. And now we've got to pay for the parking. There's a nice lady over here who let us park there. Okay. How much is it? 20 baht? How much? Oh. That is an amazing place, huh? And that's it, guys. We're out of here. I don't know if I have it anymore. We got to put it away. I'm not sure. Here.
Thank you.
Thank you. I love you.
Thank you, honey.
I should stand here. Parking. Right?
Thank you.
All right. I go home now. Bye-bye.